Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and most useful gadgets and accessories you might not know you need. Today, we're taking a close look at the inDomit Hard Protective Travel Case, a compact, rugged carrying case that's specially designed for popular mini projectors like the Magcubic, Alwatneat, Abor, and Hippus. If you're someone who travels with your projector or just wants to keep it safe at home, you're going to want to watch this. Straight out of the box, the inDomit case gives off that premium feel. The outer shell is crafted from hard EVA material layered with double-stranded Oxford cloth, giving it that mix of toughness and texture. It feels like something built for protection, and that's exactly what it delivers. It's not just about being hard on the outside. The interior is soft velvet fabric that cradles your projector, shielding it from scratches, bumps, and the occasional drop. The zipper? Super smooth. It's a 360-degree rigid zipper that doesn't snag or catch. You'll appreciate that when you're packing up in a hurry. And there's a sturdy hand strap attached to one end, making it easy to grab and go. Whether you're headed to a client presentation, setting up an outdoor movie night, or just organizing your gear at home, this case makes transport simple and secure. Size-wise, the internal dimensions are 9.06 by 5.16 by 5.16 inches, compact but spacious enough to fit your projector and a few accessories. We tested it with a couple of different 4K and 1080p mini projectors, and the fit was snug, not too tight, not too loose. If you own a Magcubic HY300, Abor, or similar-sized projector, this will feel tailor-made. What's also great is the multi-layer protection. You've got shockproofing, dustproofing, and even water resistance, thanks to the layered material design. Of course, don't go tossing it in a pool. It's not waterproof, but for rain splashes or coffee spills, this case has you covered. It's also super travel-friendly. Whether you're a digital nomad, a teacher taking your gear to different classrooms, or someone who just loves movie nights wherever you go, the portability of this case really shines. The design is minimalist and black, which keeps it professional and understated, no loud branding or flashy colors. One thing to keep in mind, the product listing does state that this is for the case only. So any projectors or cables shown in promotional images are just for illustration, they're not included. But honestly, at this price point, the protection and convenience you're getting make this a smart buy. So, who is this for? If you've invested in a portable projector, you absolutely should be protecting it. This case gives you peace of mind without bulk, and that's something we can all appreciate. If you're tired of stuffing your projector into a backpack wrapped in a hoodie, it's time to upgrade. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gadget deep dives. And let us know in the comments what projector accessories you'd like us to review next. Catch you in the next one.